Find X8 Pro has just been launched, featuring a fast refresh rate LTPO AMOLED display, a quad-camera setup with dual periscope lenses, sturdy build quality, fast charging, and many other exciting features. Today, I'll be sharing the unboxing and first impressions of the Oppo Find X8 Pro, so let's dive in to see what this new release has to offer. Hey everyone! It's Maiky from techmaiky. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications by hitting the bell icon for more awesome tech videos. Let's start with the unboxing. Here's the newly launched Oppo Find X8 Pro box. It comes in a stylish white and gray color combination, giving it a classy feel. This is the 16GB RAM and 512GB storage variant, and the color is named Walking in the Clouds. Opening the box lid, we find a protective case, SIM ejector tool, and user manual inside the cardboard box. Then we have the Oppo Find X8 Pro flagship phone, an 80-watt Super VOOC power adapter, and finally the data cable. Let's remove the plastic and talk about the phone's design and build. Looking at the front, the phone has a curved display, giving it a great look. The screen is slightly curved on all four sides, not too curved like before, but a micro-curved display. One drawback of a curved screen is that accidental touches are more likely, but visually, it looks fantastic. The bezels are very thin, so the screen-to-body ratio is high. You can see that the bottom chin is also quite thin, and all four sides have the same sized bezels. The screen is a large 6.78 inches, protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2. This is a first impressions video, and I'll be uploading the detailed review in just 3 days, where we'll go in-depth with performance, gaming, camera, and battery tests. Be sure to subscribe to join our tech team and see the full review first. Now, looking at the Oppo Find X8 Pro's frame, it's made of aluminum alloy. At the bottom, there's the SIM tray, primary microphone, Type-C port, and bottom-firing speaker. On the left side, there's an alert slider, which shows notifications in a dynamic island style, similar to the iPhone. The phone is 8.2 millimeters thick, yet it has a large 5910 mAh battery, almost 6,000 mAh, and it's a glacier battery, making it slim despite the high capacity. The company has named this color Walking in the Clouds, but it's basically a white shade, like clouds. In different lighting and angles, you'll see different colors and patterns on the back, giving it a unique texture. There's a large camera module on the back with the Hasselblad logo in the center. From the side, the camera module looks a bit bumpy, so the phone is slightly thicker in that area. The phone runs on ColorOS 15, which is based on Android 15. I've already uploaded a video on ColorOS features. Check the link in the description or the card above to watch it. Recently, Vivo launched its 2025 flagship series, the X200. I've uploaded unboxing and detailed review videos for all the phones in the X200 series. You'll find the link in the description, so be sure to check them out. For the latest phone leaks, launch dates, and tech news, don't forget to follow our x.com, formerly Twitter handle. And for quick, 1-minute unboxing and reviews of the latest phones and gadgets, follow our Instagram handle. See you in the next tech update. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling.